Let us try to solve what is the ratio of 2/3 to 4/9. Kapag sinabing ratio, synonymous nitong ratio na to ay quotient kasi nasa fraction naman tayo. Okay, so first given fraction, we have 2/3 followed by the division, magde-divide 4/9. So ang rule ni division ay mag-flip ito. Okay, flip and change. Keep ito, flip, and then change ng operation from division to multiplication. So we have 2/3, keep, then followed by change, okay, from division to multiplication, and then of course flip. Okay, 9/4 na siya. And then sa process ng multiplication, you need to, para hindi kayo mahirapan, you need to cancel the common factor. So ito, 9 and 3, pwedeng 1 dito at pwedeng 3 dito sa part na to. And then of course 2, common factor nila is 2 and we have 2 here. Okay? Common factor. Cancellation method ang tawag natin doon. So we have 1/1 as the new fraction times 3/2. Okay? So common factor, identity property ito. 1 times 3, that's equal to 3. And 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So therefore, the correct answer is, the ratio is equal to 3:2. Ito na yung final answer natin. Follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.